If some person told you it would actually take you a couple of years for you to master trading, they weren't wrong. They were right. But I have some good news for you. You don't need to go over some years practicing and trying to master crypto trading. And here's why. OKX offers you an opportunity to mirror whatever professional traders are doing. All you have to do is take your pick on the professional trader whom you feel is reliable and has a huge following and has a high percentage win rate, right? And then you simply copy everything that they're doing and you're good to go. Later on, you can begin to learn and practice how to trade on your own. So in this video, what I'll do is I'll show you how to go about this. Now, first things first, if you don't have an account on OKX, I've left the link in the description section. I've also left one in the comments section. All you have to do is click it, create an account, and make sure that you verify your account so that you are ready to start trading. If you don't verify your account, there will be some limitations on the trades. Sometimes you wouldn't be able to deposit crypto into your wallet and you won't be able to execute certain things in your account. So let's assume you have created an account and you have had it verified. If you don't know how to go about that, I'll actually dedicate a video to do that, or you can reach out to me or drop a comment in the comment section so that I know that you don't know how to go about that, so that I do a video for you. Without any further ado, let's take a ride. Let's assume you've created an account and you've logged on. This is actually the platform that you're gonna see. So what you do is you click here where it reads trade. You simply hover over the tab and you see these options. So what you do is you hover over to the far end here so that you pull down this bar here. All right, and then you'll see this tab. You've seen this one? When you hover over it, you'll see these options this side: trading bots, copy trading. If you want to create a trading bot which would actually be trading for you, you simply go by the first option. If you want to copy trade some lead trader, you go by copy trading. I'd rather you go with the second option since it's your first time. Now, here's the good thing about OKX. You can start with $2. On Binance, you have to start with $10. You see the difference? So here, you can deposit $20 and then start with $2 so that you see how things are actually boiling down. Here's why I would want you to start with the $2. Because on your first time of trying out this, there are higher chances of you making mistakes, right? And because you're likely to make mistakes, there are higher chances of you losing your money. So if you start with small amounts of money, that will be actually so good for you because you won't make some major losses. So I'm gonna click copy trading. All right, so let's take a look at this. So we have this one. This one has actually 21 copy traders out of 50, right? And then we check on the number of days that they have been leading the trades, 13 days. So this one is pretty new in actually leading trades, right? Then we check on this one. The number of days this one has actually been leading is 812. And there is 686,088.27. That's assets under management. So this one is entrusted with lots of money, right? Meaning this one has been long in the game and so many people trust him, which is why they have invested lots of money and they're copying him in numbers. Yeah, let's check on this one. Adored browse has 394,831.71 assets under management. This is the amount of money people have actually invested, and so far he has 93 people are copying his trades, right? Let's check on these others. So the win rate is 32, This one has the win rate of 8.86%. Let's check on these others at the bottom if there are any. We have this one. This one has 191 copy traders. Those were actually mirroring his trades. This one has 8. Once you identify the person whose trades I'm going to copy trade, I'll need to click copy, which is by their side, and then I'm gonna land here. What I'll need to do is I simply click follow. I can follow him, and then hit copy. We can check on what's going on at the bottom here, right? Days loss 13, then the number of days that he's actually been winning 31. So the win rate is much higher than the rate of losses that he's been making, right? We can check on the average position value. You check this, right? Profit loss ratio. This is what we got. So the figure that goes with the profits that he's been making is much bigger than the figure for the losses here, right? So we can go ahead and copy whatever he's been doing. We can check on other things at the bottom. So what we do is you simply click copy, right? And then it says spot mode currently doesn't support futures. Smart saying, do you want to switch to futures mode? Yeah, we can go with switch mode, right? Boom. So here, what you need to do is you type in the amount of money that you're starting with, right? And then you need to check in this box, right? If you punch in the amount here, this one will get highlighted. All you need to do is you hit copy and you'll be good to go. So that's how you have to go about copy trading. If this video has actually helped you in one way or the other, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Share with some person who might be in need of this video. I'll be doing other videos on how to do one or two other things on OKX. I'll see you in the next one.